Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will be showing you how you can apply textures to an environment in 3D scene using Godot game engine. So you can download any texture you want from this particular website. Make sure you give proper attribution. Once that is done, or if you have your own HDRI image, you can use that. We will be using HDRI. So suppose if I select this, make sure HDRI selected over here, there is EXR as well. Make sure HDRI selected. Select your quality, make sure at least select 2K. Above that, this kind of high qualities are only used for AAA games. So if you are using AAA, then yeah, maybe that's okay. But all you need to do is just create a 3D scene, and here you can just click over here, click add sun to scene, click add environment to scene. I'll just save it as well, and I'll add a camera as well over here. Okay, so you just need to go to world environment, click on environment, click on sky. I have already added the texture over inside my application. Okay, so just download and add it, and here you just need to select this. I'll just expand this a little bit, and here you need to select panorama sky material. Just click on it, and here you just have to click on this, click on quick load, and here you can see this is my image. So here you can see it has already applied that particular image of, or texture for me. Now I can just move my camera. I'll just select the Y. Okay, I'll just move it. So here on the right hand side you can see the preview as well. So if you want, you can rotate it. So yeah, something like this. Now if I just run this, select it as current scene, here you can see. So yeah, that's how it is. That's how easy it is to apply texture to an environment. Thank you for watching. Bye.